Hello and welcome to this short video about my site. Now, Nimbus Maps has a multitude of ways for you to find sites in platform, and it also has an incredible amount of data that shows you how to assess those sites. But how do we stay on top of our pipeline? How do we connect with owners? How do we keep on track with everything to achieve ultimate success? Well, that is where My Sites comes into play, and you'll find that on the left-hand side. Now, this is such a great workflow which you design. You can add as many stages as you wish, and basically it's all about keeping on top of the opportunities that you have found using Nimbus Maps Elite. As time goes by, you can actually drag and drop those sites if you so wish as well. You can make notes as well along the way, but what you can also do is bulk download registers by clicking the three dots here, bulk actions, purchase registers, and purchase those all in one go. And now, whereas that is really convenient, what's also really great about that is that if you download this as an Excel spreadsheet and it's either in commercial ownership or you have purchased that register, we will extract the owner's details and pop that into an Excel for you. And what that means is that you can then do your own mail merge and send your letters out, or you could use a mail merge company with that Excel template and your own letter template to send letters out as well, therefore achieving success, finding sites, assessing them, and connecting with owners all in one place using Nimbus Maps Elite.